Welcome to the unseen universe! Today, we have something really cool and interesting. Today, we'll be looking at Super Mario! You guys remember Super Mario, right? His name is Super Mario, and this was a game for the Super Nintendo that came out in the 90s. Yeah, in the 2000s. This was an awesome game. Everyone loves Super Mario. Can you say Super Mario?
Wow.
Hey, that's pretty good. Do you want to show it and show everyone? Hold it and show everyone what this game is. Say, there you go. Wow, look at you. You could be a model, huh? Yeah, so this is Super Mario, and the character we'll be looking at is actually Mario. So this is Super Mario All-Stars, and it contained games 1, 2, 3, and I think the Japanese hard version. And yeah, so let's take a look, and we're gonna go really close and look at what Mario looks like. Are you ready? Yes, okay. Let's take a look. There he is. Do you see Mario? Yeah, his name is Mario. He wears a red hat, and he's an Italian plumber, and he says, "It's Mario." Can you say, "It's Mario"? Hey, that's awesome again. Yeah, so there's Mario. I can see again the little paint pigments on this Super Nintendo cartridge. And you can see his eyes. What else do you see there? His eyes. And do you see his
Mouth.
his mouth?
And his nose.
And his nose
Ear.
and his ear. Wow, and his
Chin.
chin. Look at you. You know all about Mario. So there's Mario. He has a pretty big nose, and he has somewhat bluish eyes and a red hat. So that's Mario. Should we look at him closer?
No.
Yes, let's go closer. Okay, so we are going to turn the objective to the 10x, and let's see what Mario looks like. Whoa. There's his eye. Oh my gosh, we're getting really close now. His eye is large. The closer we get, the bigger things become. Yeah, so there's Mario, there's his eyes. And again, different paint pigments on these cartridges. Some of the labels on the cartridges were made in Mexico, some were made in Japan. I think the Japanese ones were better quality. But anywho, that's a story for a different time. So there's Super Mario. There's also other little characters inside here. Should we go back and look at one of the other characters? Yeah? Let's go back to the 5x. Maybe we'll just stay up a little bit higher. Who else is here? Who else is here? So here's the cartridge again. Mario! That's Mario. And there's also his friend, his brother Luigi. And he has a Tanuki suit on this label. He has a little raccoon suit. It's called a Tanuki suit. There's a little raccoon. Do you see that little small raccoon in there? There's a little brown raccoon right there. Do you see him?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a little raccoon. Anywho, let's just continue.
Eat the apple.
We have an apricot tree, and there's a horrid raccoon who eats the apricot. There's Mario.
That is holy raccoon.
The horrid raccoon.
That holy raccoon came into the timeout.
That horrid raccoon does need a timeout. You're absolutely right.
Into jail.
To jail? Okay. I don't know if we want to be that extreme. But there's Mario in his Tanuki suit. Isn't that pretty awesome? There he is. There's Mario again. He's wearing that little raccoon suit. I think it's a raccoon suit. So anywho, there's Mario. And we can go one bit deeper. And we can see him up close. And now we can start to see the different colors. What colors do you see now?
Red.
Red. I see red also. And
Blue.
blue.
And purple.
And purple. Oh my goshy. And how about we go to the 20x object? Should we do 20?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go 20. Whoa, look at that. Now we can really see the different paints. There's greens and red.
I see red.
You see red? Yeah. What is it, a red circle?
Yes.
Yeah, like a small red circle. Yeah, look at that. That's the different paint pigments. Very similar to when we looked at the Cat in the Hat. And anywho, there he is. And should we go to our final frontier and go to the 50 times? Here we go. Here's 50. Whoa! Those are the different colors on Mario. Yeah.
No. Yes.
Oh, yeah, we go closer like that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we are going really close. So anywho, guys, that's what Mario looks like on the Super Nintendo cartridge from Super Mario All-Stars. Did you have fun looking at Mario today? Yeah! And so welcome everyone. Thanks for tuning in to the Unseen
Oh.
Universe! Bye-bye!